Reliable temperature solutions you can trust. Backed by decades of experience, our temperature solutions deliver unmatched reliability and precision, meeting the demands of the industrial and process control industries. More Industries offers a comprehensive lineup of temperature solutions designed to meet your most demanding needs. Our THZ3 and TDZ3 two-wire smart HART dual input temperature transmitters come with or without displays, alongside the TRY, TRX, and TDY two-wire PC-Programmable Transmitters, also available with or without displays. For functional safety applications, we provide the STZ, SLA, and STA combination temperature transmitters and functional safety alarms, all IEC 61508 compliant and SIL 3 capable. Our RIY, TIY, and SPT models offer 2-wire and 4-wire site programmable transmitters with displays. The SPA2 and SPA2IS offer a combination temperature transmitter and alarm trip. Need MODBUS communication? The TMZ 4-wire MODBUS temperature transmitter has you covered. The TCS temperature concentrator system delivers efficient temperature monitoring for high-density and larger point count applications. Our NCS net concentrator system also provides temperature monitoring for larger point count applications in peer-to-host or peer-to-peer network topologies. Whether you need support for MODBUS RTU, MODBUS TCP, HART, or monitoring support via a simple web browser, look to our temperature remote and distributed I/O family of solutions. From single temperature points to complex processes, More Industries has the right temperature solutions to keep your process moving. With input to output analog accuracy of up to plus or minus 0.014 degrees Celsius or plus or minus 0.025 degrees Fahrenheit, our solutions deliver the absolute best precision in the industry. They support a wide range of inputs, including 2, 3, and 4-wire RTDs, thermocouples like J, K, and R types, millivolt signals, and resistance measurements. Our devices operate seamlessly across extensive temperature ranges from minus 200 to plus 2,300 degrees Celsius, or minus 328 to plus 4,172 degrees Fahrenheit. Long-term stability ensures up to 5 years between calibrations, minimizing downtime and maintenance. Communication options include analog, HART, MODBUS RTU, MODBUS TCP, HART IP, and an integrated NCS web server for HTTP access. Programmable models are available for site configuration using free PC software, FDT-DTM technology, or HART interface tools. Real-time process readouts are displayed on large integral screens for at-a-glance monitoring. Choose from 2-wire loop-powered, 4-wire line-powered, or universal-powered models to fit your application needs. Our temperature transmitters are isolated, linearized, and protected against RFI and EMI for robust performance. Our patented Total Sensor Diagnostics feature speeds up troubleshooting to help maintain process accuracy. Flexible installation options include DIN rail, surface, pipe mounting, and explosion-proof or flame-proof field mount enclosures. We also offer ready-to-install assemblies that include sensors, transmitters, thermowells, fittings, and various other enclosures for a complete temperature monitoring solution. At More Industries, we offer complete, ready-to-install temperature assemblies, combining everything you need for accurate and reliable temperature measurement, transmission, and alarm solutions. With just one model number, you can order a complete assembly. All you have to do is install it into your process, connect the wiring, and you're in business. Our assemblies include process connections designed for any application, including nipple union spring-loaded fittings, and fluid seal fittings. A variety of connection heads and enclosures for both general and hazardous areas, such as L8 series of NEMA 4X IP66 explosion-proof, flame-proof heads. BH series of NEMA 4X IP66 explosion-proof/flame-proof heads. SB series of stainless steel NEMA 4X IP66 explosion-proof/flame-proof heads. D-Box series of NEMA 4X IP66 enclosures. CH19 stainless steel NEMA 4X heads. CH6 polypropylene NEMA 4X heads. R-Box series of NEMA 4X enclosures. We also offer a wide range of Thermowells to meet any process requirement, including heavy-duty threaded tapered Thermowells, standard-duty threaded tapered Thermowells, sanitary Thermowells, standard-duty threaded stepped Thermowells, flange Thermowells, and protection tubes. These are available in materials such as stainless steel 304, 316, 310, 446, as well as brass, carbon steel, and other options. Our temperature sensors provide extensive versatility, including RTDs available in 2, 3, and 4 wire configurations with options for platinum, copper, and nickel RTDs. Thermocouples, including types J, K, E, T, R, S, N, C, and B. We also offer specialized designs like the worm flexible sensors, straight sensors, fixed immersion probe sensors, and sanitary sensors. Additionally, more industries' highly stable RTDs undergo rigorous testing to ensure precision and long-term performance. Each sensor is temperature cycled for 1,000 hours at 0 degrees Celsius and 600 degrees Celsius to meet strict precision standards. Once assembled into a sensor sheath, the sensors are cycled again to pass a conformity test. Testing ensures stable resistance and accurate coefficients for long-term performance. The worm flexible RTD and thermocouple sensors set the standard for our temperature assemblies. This versatile, spring-loaded, and flexible sensor trims to length for quick and easy installation. Unlike conventional solid sheath sensors, the worm's flexible design allows it to slide easily through the connection head port and into the assembly. No need to remove assembly components. Our temperature assemblies featuring the worm are perfect for surface measurements. These assemblies mount directly to tanks, pipes, motors, compressors, reactors, or any surface where precise skin temperature measurements are needed. With precise engineering and sturdy construction, these assemblies are designed to endure the harshest plant conditions and demanding field environments. When applications demand exceptional accuracy, our sensor-to-transmitter trimming ensures measurement precision up to an incredible plus or minus 0.014 degrees Celsius or plus or minus 0.025 degrees Fahrenheit. Performed in our state-of-the-art calibration suite, our high-accuracy factory calibration guarantees that sensors and transmitters work together seamlessly to deliver exceptionally precise measurements. In high-tech industries like semiconductors, microelectronics, pharmaceuticals, and biotech, maintaining stable temperature and humidity is essential for quality and yield. More Industries offers reliable solutions for monitoring ambient and process conditions in clean rooms, laboratories, storage, and production facilities. Our lineup includes wall/duct mount temperature assemblies for clean rooms and air ducts, long averaging sensors for air handler monitoring, and wall and ceiling mount humidity and air temperature systems. The HTZ Smart HART Humidity Temperature Transmitter simultaneously measures humidity and temperature for industrial, commercial, and HVAC applications, featuring the HDM Humidity Display Module and HSM Humidity Sensor Module for precise and reliable performance. At More Industries, our complementary temperature solutions simplify and enhance your temperature monitoring and control processes. The SPA2 Combination Limit Alarm Trip and Transmitter delivers dual functionality, reducing costs when you need both temperature alarming and monitoring at the same location. With its NEMA 4X rated front panel and extra bright display, our process controllers are built to control and monitor temperature variables in both batch and continuous processes. Finally, our industry-first HART interfaces and monitors unlock the full potential of HART-enabled devices, gathering additional measurements and diagnostics for advanced monitoring and control. More Industries. delivering innovative solutions to meet all your temperature application needs.